My name is Richard Winston. My Facebook name is Shadowmiser Winston, and welcome back. It's been a while since I did a Pokemon cards opening. Yeah, it has been a while. So far, I was been doing my little share for share for my group page, Pokemon Seasonal Jam. Yeah. Since all that, I hardly bought any Pokemon card packs. Yeah, including Yu-Gi-Oh. No, wait, never mind. Not the Yu-Gi-Oh. But I haven't been opening Pokemon card packs lately. Does all the New Year's, the Christmas so far. I was trying to save up money. Yeah, trying to save up money to buy me a new laptop. Yeah, so far my old laptop's not working very well. It's a little bit of a Wi-Fi. It's not the Wi-Fi in the house, it's my computer. It can't even get any access somehow. I don't know if it had a virus or something, but I'm investing some money so I can get me a new laptop. So anyways, onto the Pokemon card pack. I just bought these Pokemon card packs from Dollar Tree. It's only cost $1 at that store. So far, let's get on with the card packs. So let's get on with the opening. I'm going to pick Hoopa. Because since I watched the Pokemon X and Y, the Hoopa, I really love that Pokemon. I still have them. Yeah, so far. Alright. Groudon. I wish I was in the championships. Wait, hold on a minute. I had a comment about this card saying that I didn't know I had the trainer's mail, the rare is one. So far I have another one. Alright, let me repeat the first one with the Hoopa. Okay, next up will be Gengar. Mega Gengar, that is. Yeah, they're a lot different. Let's see. Yep, Groudon, Rayquaza, Hoopa's in this Ancient Origins. Gengar's on the Phantom Forces. Yeah. Here we goes. And the last one, but not least, Rayquaza. Yeah, I have his Mega Evolution. It's inside those the Pokemon deal. It'll take forever for me to do it, but I think I have the link down below. I don't know for sure. So here comes the last pack. So that's all I have for right now. So anyway, if you're new to this, if you like this video, there's some links down below of the other card openings. And if you like this video, why don't you subscribe? If you're new to this channel, why don't you subscribe, please? I'm not forcing y'all. Y'all can just subscribe if y'all want to. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye.